I'm going to start solving this problem from converting the division to multiplication. I can rewrite this function as y is equal 3 times x to negative 2. Okay? As probably many of you noticed that in order to be okay with calculus, you're supposed to be okay with algebra first. So if you still don't get it, what I'm doing right now, you have to review the exponents from algebra. So next, we are going to use the formula called the derivative of a constant times the power of x. So I'm going to have dy over dx equals the derivative of 3x negative 2 over dx. Okay? According to the formula, I'm supposed to copy down the constant 3 times exponent n, which is negative 2, and I have x, and I have exponent minus 1. So I have minus 2 minus 1. And I have 3 times negative 2 is equal negative 6. And I have x negative 3. So this is equal this, or you can simply write that this is equal negative 6 over x to the third power. And this is the solution to my problem.